So we moved to Landudno from Manchester last year, and none of our family are Welsh, but we wanted to learn Welsh to be part of the community and then for job opportunities really as well. So when we first moved, we joined the library and the library staff told us about the Cymraeg Blant sessions.
Wrth ddod i grwpiau Cymraeg Blant, fyddi theuluoedd ddisgwyl croeso cynnes, modd i gymdeithasu yn y Gymraeg, ddod i nabod pobl eraill ac i fod mewn awyrgylch hollol saff a Chymreig.
The Cymraeg Blant sessions offered us an opportunity to engage with the language on a level that we could access on the child's level. We were learning alongside our children at the time, so it was fantastic.
As a result of going to the sessions and talking to Jane, we hadn't realised that it would be possible to send our children to Welsh-medium school having no Welsh at home. So that's a fantastic outcome for us.
Mae'n bwysig iawn bod pob plentyn cael y cyfle i gael addysg Gymraeg, a dyma'r lle gorau i gychwyn, ac hefyd i gyrraedd yn targed ni o erbyn 2050 bod yna filiwn o siaradwyr Cymraeg.
We all sing the welcome song, so we say bore da and each child's name, and then there are other nursery rhymes in Welsh with actions and props.
Does dim gwahaniaeth beth yw safon eich Cymraeg chi. Dyn ni'n cynnig amrywiaeth o weithgareddau, o ioga i fabis, canu yn y dŵr, a mae bob un grŵp gyda ni am ddim.